Hello everyone, this is Astocky here. Welcome to another Minecraft tutorial. In today's episode I'm going to be teaching you how to connect to a Tekkit server. So the basic way, we'll open LogMe and Hamachi back up. So basically what you would do is you need to click this button here to say that you want to power on, and then you need to go to network, join an existing network. So if you've set it up for yourself, that's really easy. You just type in the network ID and password if you've set it up. If it's somebody else's, you've got to make sure that those are the details that they give you and that you can connect. So you can see here I'm connected to the Sky City server and also to A&J Stockwell Test, but none of that's going to matter because, as we discussed earlier, the server that I have set up here for this particular test is running with no IP, so it means it's going to be running on my system's local IP, so it will basically be automatically connected to it. So we'll start by launching the server, and now I will go back and I will open my Tekkit launcher, and I think I've sorted out what was going wrong last time, but we will try again and we will log in. There you go, so this time it has worked. So it is opened up Tekkit, so you can see I've got the server running in the background, and I've got Tekkit now opening up. So if I come over to the server command window here, you can type help. You should be able to type op, and that way you can set a particular player as an op once they've connected. But in the cases I discussed earlier, I should automatically be an op, because that was how I set myself up in the server settings here. So there's Astocky. So I'm automatically an op for this particular server. So we come down to multiplayer. Now the way you want to do this is you want to direct connect, or you want to add a server if you plan to connect to it more than once. I'm just going to go add a server, and we'll call it Tekkit test. Now here is where you would type in the IP. So in this particular case, that is my IP on Hamachi, and that would be the IP that I would use if I had typed that into my Tekkit server. You can see here under server.properties that because I've left the IP blank, it will actually use the IP of this computer. And so the easy way to do that when you're connecting to your own computer is to type localhost, and then you have to do the colon, and then you have to do the server port, which by default for Minecraft is 25565. So if I say here 25565 and then hit done, it's now created that server, and you can see it automatically has refreshed, and it says there are currently no players connected out of a total maximum of 5. Now I join and log in, you can see it's connecting, and if I just pause that for a second, you can see over here there's been a whole lot of updated stuff happen. So there, Astocky has logged in, and then it shows all the different mods that I've logged in with. And so now we can go back to game, and I've got everything configured the way I don't like it, but that's okay, because basically here we are, I am on my server, and had other people been here, I would be now playing multiplayer. So you can see that that's all kind of working. The view distance is set to by default far, so it's automatically loading in chunks and things as I move around, and so it's working as per advertised. You can see that it's a little tiny bit laggy, and that's a combination of the fact that I'm running the server on the same system as I'm playing on, and also the fact that I haven't got it configured very well at the moment. But that gives you the basic idea of how to run your own Minecraft server and how to connect to it. This has just been a real short video about how to do the actual connection part. The bulk of the video I'll have in the description about creating the server. So, time to kill a chicken. Something that I am very interested in is I want to see if yes they do. So they do have the latest version of Equivalent Exchange installed, which is just brilliant, because now you can create alchemy bags and transmutation tables and all of that really good stuff. So Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or any queries about something that's going on with this, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Astocky out.